Hello everyone, this is Christian Koivumaa and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to paint trees by using negative painting. I think anyone can do it. It's that easy and it's fun too. So at this point I'm just trying to apply some color and try to create some random shapes. The color I'm using is sap green, but also a little bit of ultramarine blue and a little bit of alizarin crimson. I'm trying to create a rather wide shape here, and the reason is that I'm creating several trees in this area. There, and that's the first layer of paint. So now I'm just drying it out and I'm speeding up the video for you. So now after the paint is dry, we're gonna get started with the fun stuff. I'm applying the exact same paint as before, but this time I'm trying to paint around the trees. Just make sure the trunks are a little bit wider, and then you just apply thinner branches. Really, you could just do pretty much anything and still get away with it. And there I'm done with the second layer, and now I'm just gonna dry it with the hairdryer once again. And now I'm gonna finish this exercise with the third and final layer. I'm still using the same mix of paint, and the third layer is making a darker value. This is a fun and easy way to create depth in your painting. And like I said before, I think anyone can do this. It's that simple. And now I'm gonna pick up the hairdryer for the last time and just dry it out for you. So this is how you create trees with negative painting. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my next watercolor exercise video. Take care.